Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Sit or lie down, allowing your body to fully relax. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment. Now exhale slowly through your mouth. As you breathe out, feel your body sinking deeper into relaxation. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with fresh, clean air. Hold it and slowly exhale, letting go of any tension, stress, or worry. Imagine these feelings leaving your body with every breath out. Now take another deep breath in, and this time hold it a little longer. Feel the energy in your body as you hold your breath. And now exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, grounded and calm. With each breath you take, you're drawing in positive energy, filling your body with light and peace. And as you exhale, you're releasing any negativity, any thoughts or feelings that no longer serve you. Now, bring your attention to your heart. Feel its steady, rhythmic beat. This is the center of your power, the source of your energy. With each beat, your heart is sending life-giving energy throughout your body, nourishing every cell, every fiber of your being. We are connected to the infinite intelligence of the universe. As you breathe, imagine this energy flowing into your heart, connecting you to this vast, limitless source of wisdom and love. As you continue to breathe, focus on the concept of abundance. Abundance is not just about wealth or material possessions. It's about the richness of life itself, the love we give and receive, the opportunities we embrace, the joy we experience in every moment. Inhale deeply, welcoming abundance into your life. Hold it. And exhale, releasing any limiting beliefs that may be holding you back from experiencing true abundance. You are worthy of abundance. You are God's greatest creation. You are worthy of love, joy, and success. You are worthy. You are bliss. You are intelligence. With every breath, you are aligning yourself with these powerful, positive forces. Feel them flowing through you, lifting you up, and guiding you towards your highest potential. Now, bring to mind a challenge or obstacle you're facing. It could be something small or something significant. Imagine this challenge as a dark cloud, heavy and dense. But remember, even the darkest clouds are temporary, and behind them the sun is always shining. As you inhale, imagine the light of your inner power growing stronger, brighter. Hold that light within you. And as you exhale, see that light breaking through the cloud, dissolving it, revealing the clear blue sky of possibilities. No challenge is too great for you. You have the power to overcome any obstacle, to rise above any difficulty. The only limits in our life are those we impose on ourselves. Today, choose to release those limits and embrace the boundless potential within you. As we near the end of this meditation, take a moment to feel gratitude for this time you've dedicated to yourself. Gratitude is a powerful force that opens the door to more blessings in your life. What are you grateful for today? Breathe in the feeling of gratitude. Hold it in your heart. And exhale, sending that gratitude out into the universe, knowing that what you give, you will receive tenfold. Take one last deep breath in and out. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing with you a sense of calm, confidence, and a renewed belief in your ability to create the life you desire. Remember, you are powerful, you are capable, and you are unstoppable.